Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn Proportional Reasoning 1 together, step by step. Proportional reasoning connects two quantities that change together. We'll use ratios, proportions, and the unitary method to solve everyday problems. A ratio compares two amounts. When two ratios are equal, we have A proportion, A to B equals C to D, and the cross products are equal. A times D equals B times C. The unitary method is simple and powerful. First, find the value of a single unit, then scale up to however many you need. 5 pens cost 60 rupees. First, find 1 pen. 60 divided by 5 is 12. Then 8 pens cost 8 times 12, 96 rupees. In direct proportion, the two quantities rise and fall together, so their ratio stays constant. Plotted, this gives a straight line through the origin. To recap, a proportion equates two ratios and cross-multiplies. The unitary method finds one unit, then scales, and direct proportion keeps a constant ratio. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya, and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.